Downloading iTunes is free, and it just takes a few minutes. If you have a Mac, iTunes is already on your computer. If you have a PC, all you need to download iTunes is a high-speed internet connection. Make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Open your web browser and go to the iTunes webpage at itunes.com. On the iTunes website, click the Download button, then click Run. After the download completes, click Run again, then follow the on-screen installation instructions. After you install iTunes, you'll be guided through a brief setup assistant. Then you'll be ready to use iTunes to collect, organize, and play your new digital music and video collection.